Ziqalile izinkinga phakathi kwe-ANC kanye ne-DA eGauteng kuhlehla ukumenyezelwa ko-MEC. Angiqale nje ngikubingelele kule channel eMaswidi Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi Mfana kaDlomo. Mangabe ke uyaqala ukufika kule channel, cela ukuthi ngizile iqiniso lokuthi uqofa subscribe maqedwe bale video, ushawa like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba namhlanje. Kanza kwethu udaba ngezingalo ke njengamanje luthi ke kuhlehle umshado phakathi kwe-ANC kanye ne-DA le endaweni okanye kwisifundazwe saseGauteng ngesikhathi i-ANC ithi ke ifuna ukumemeza o-MEC izolo ke ebusuku ngo9 iqembu ke le-DA silithatha isinqumo lokuthi ke lona alubeki umcondo walo nangebhadi kuleyo ndawo ngesizathu ke esithi ke bebekade besakhuluma nayo i-ANC bengakavumelani ngokuthi i-DA izothola o-MEC abangaki, i-ANC yona besithola o-MEC abangaki. Bethe bengakavumelani nje besa kwingxoxo i-ANC yaqhamuka ke ekseni sithi ke namhlanje ntambama siyamemezela o-MEC nakhona ke i-DA asitshelwanga thina kepha kutshelwe ke imedia, kuvele wabhala incwadi nje kutshelwa imedia, thina sangatshelwa ukuthi ke kumenyezelwa o-MEC. Bathi ke noma kunjalo noma kuthiwa bekumenyezelwa bengeke baze ke bawubeka umcondo wabo bona lapho ngesizathu sokuthi abagculisekile ngo-MEC ababatholayo. Nangempela futhi ke mawuzobuka ke ama results njengoba i-ANC inama seats awu28 eGauteng bese ukuthi i-DA inama seats awu22 khona futhi eGauteng. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke ama-MEC abazowathola lawo maqembu amabili mele ephinde futhi reflect ama results. Mangabe i-DA izothola u2 bese ANC ithola inqwaba akuzokuba kahle, sizolinda sibone ukuthi isiphetho sakhona ke siba kanjani. Okwamanje ngicela ukuthi uyizwele umholi wayo i-DA eGauteng ekuchaza lolu daba. Mangabe usuqedile ungenze iqiniso lokuthi uqofa subscribe, uya like bese uyakhomenta, sidibane ku video lanelayo. Ngiyabonga.
To start off, we have been engaged in good faith from day one. We understood the principle of saying the bigger party will get the leadership, i.e. will get the role of the premier. We did that. We nominated, we elected the premier without any hassles. We nominated and elected the speaker without any hassles. We were supposed to then be engaging with them from the same Friday afternoon after electing the premier. They disappeared on us. Saturday, they were not available. Sunday, they were not available. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, only when we met at the inauguration of the president did they tell us that they will engage us. We engaged them on the days that followed. They asked us for proposals. We gave them proposals and our understanding of how power sharing should be. We said to them that there should be a split in terms of the numbers that we're bringing in. They then said, let's put that in writing. We did. My provincial chairperson put that in writing. Then they said they're uncomfortable with the inclusion of other parties because they're engaging with us. And then we said, okay, fine, we'll remove that. But then we then said to them, but if you're talking about a government of provincial unity, surely in that cabinet, you should be able to then have other parties being represented. And surely that should also be reflective of, the outcomes of the elections. Let me tell you what is now being on the table. The DA is being offered 2 positions, MEC positions. The DA has been offered 2 chairpersons positions, and we're asking, is this a true reflection of what the voters have said to us? A party that has 34%, wants to then hop on to 8 positions and only give 2 to the DA and 1 to another party. Yeah. We said that we can engage and negotiate around this. Today, as I'm talking to you, we had our earlier meeting. The last word that we got from the ANC was that they are going to then consult their PEC. They will come back to us, by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. By 5:30, then we see a media statement to then say they are ready to make an announcement. And I did talk to Panyaza Lesufi. I did call the provincial secretary. I said, but are you guys really engaging in good faith? You said you'll come back to us at 4 o'clock to look at the proposal and agree on a proposal. And then if we agree on the proposal, we were more than happy to then give you the name so that you're able to then, we have an inclusion in terms of that. Yeah. That's not what they want.